After 2 long years, it feels great that we all get to be back together again for Thanksgiving. I've missed you all so much, but I think I've missed my mother's cooking the most. And of course, don't forget that we get to see Grandpa Matt again. Enough chit-chat. Let's dig into this turkey.
It looks like somebody's got the virus.
No, it's just a dry throat. No viruses here. But good one, Cousin Matt.
You sure it's not the virus?
Like I said before, not a virus. Okay? It's not a virus. I just have a dry throat. You got me again, Cousin Matt. Really missed your jokes.
It's not the virus. It's not. It's a dry throat, and newsflash, dry throats are common this time of year. Jesus Christ.
It's just been so long, and we've been separated for a long, long time. I just wanted everything to be perfect. I apologize.
Oh, we accept your apology, child.
I appreciate you.
It looks like this loser's got the virus. Am I right, guys? Am I right?
Matthew, Grandpa has diabetes, man.
Oh, right.
I'm not grateful for anything. You were all worthless. I came from nothing and gave you guys everything. And you've wasted all of my hard work.
Oh, Grandpa. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
I don't want to live anymore.